Hi, it's your Capon here. This time around, I'm going to speak about how anyone can become an affiliate marketer in under 15 minutes. There's a reason why the majority of people who attempt to start an online business fail. But nobody wants to talk about it. There's one reason. It's hard. There, I said it. Running an online business is freaking hard. In order to do anything online, you know how to make your own quality product, build your own website, and all the techie stuff that comes with it. Wait. But what if you can't meet those criteria? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. A few advantages of generating an affiliate income online include time savings. It takes hours, not days, not weeks to get started online. There are no huge barriers to entry. You don't need any prior experience to get started. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to provide customer support or figure out payment processing, as that is taken care of by the person that is actually selling the product. But figuring out how to promote the products was tough, until now, that is. This is where the Capon comes in. I would like to introduce you to a plug-and-play system that lets you promote your affiliate links on autopilot. This system is groundbreaking because using it is as easy as ordering a pizza. It's called the 12-minute affiliate system. It gets you started as an affiliate marketer in the shortest time possible. Let me be honest, even if it takes you a little longer than the 12 minutes, you're going to become an affiliate marketer before you go to bed tonight. You don't have to take my word for it. Click on the link in the description and find out for yourself. You have nothing to lose. Make sure to like this video, and leave your questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get notifications when the Capon drops a new video.